How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Black Metal Rebellion. I'm your host, Jesse Morgan, aka Slammerella, and today we have a 6-month update on the DIY blue-colored Doc Martens. If you remember, I did a video a while back spray painting these blue from black. They were some old black Doc Martens, and I've worn them a bit since then, through winter and salt and slush, and as you can see, they've mostly held up pretty well. There's no real paint missing or cracking. The scuffs on the toe there are basically how they were back when I first spray painted it, minus maybe a teeny bit of paint missing. But as you can see, it's held up pretty well. There's a little bit of dust and salt and whatever on it from walking around. So that's that one. And then here's the right boot. A little bit of scuff marks from use, but with only a layer or two of paint, if you do scrape something, it will come off. So there's the back there with a little bit of crinkling, but could just be from not spray painting it well enough. But yeah, so for 6 months of use in the winter and all that, it's actually not done that bad of a job, and it's kind of held up about as well as you could expect. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed how well this held up. I'm going to do a quick little cleanup of this with some wipes, do a time lapse of that. And if you're wondering what kind of paint I used for this, I don't know if I showed it off too close up or in depth in the video, but this is the paint I used. Just Rust-Oleum painter's paint, or painter's touch, 2 times Ultra Cover, and it is the Satin Lagoon kind. Let's turn it over to the English side. Satin Lagoon. So yeah, painter's touch there. So that's really all I could show off what I used for the paint. So this held up really well. I don't know if it's because it's the 2 times ultra coverage, whatever, or if it's because of the Rust-Oleum brand itself, but painter's touch. It worked really well though. So yeah, it says fast drying, ideal for indoor or outdoor use, wood, metal, plastic, and more. This would obviously fall under the more, considering it's leather. So yeah, if you do it, you again watch the video, but you probably just really want to make sure you cover up the yellow stitching and the sole, and obviously remove the laces and cover up the bouncing sole's yellow tag. And maybe put something inside so you don't spray the inside. But yep, that's pretty much how I did it. If you want to go back and watch the video to see exactly what I did. But yep, so let's just get to the time-lapsed cleaning part, and we can finish off this video. Alright, so there we go. boots are cleaned up now, and can't really tell too much on camera, but they're definitely a little bit shinier now. Got all that winter dust and salt debris off of them. Got the sides of the soles looking cleaner. And now they basically look exactly like they did when I first sprayed them. I might apply some more Winter Guard spray to them a bit more to keep them protected again. But other than that, this is the result of 6 months of use with these soles. I didn't bother cleaning off, but the treads are still quite robust and have a lot of tread on them still. Got a lot of walking still available to be done in these before anything needs to be done. That's the left boot. And then here's the right one. Again, same deal with this, just all wiped off and clean again. Look pretty good. Brand new shiny Smurf boots. Only a little bit of wear there, which is fine. And then the tread, also robust. Still got a rock in this one. Still got quite a bit of life left in the tread. So, yeah. DIY blue Doc Martens from old Docs that I got from the Fashion Rebel shop downtown that were probably years worth of in use, done with some Rust-Oleum paint, 2x coverage, the Satin Lagoon color. So, yep, as you can see, still going strong with this, not a lot of wear on it, and with some maintenance, i.e. the Winter Guard spray on it, and just wiping it down. They look about as good as they did when I first sprayed them. So that's my update for these Doc Martens. Hopefully that lets you know how well this kind of thing works and this process works for these, as long as you take care of them and don't like scratch the shit out of them or beat them up too much. So yeah, hopefully that answered any of your questions. Hopefully that was interesting to you and inspired you to do some DIY stuff with your Docs, and lets you know that spray painting them does work as long as you apply proper coats to them and don't do too much. There's a little bit of running on these ones, but not too bad. Anyways, that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Again, I'll be doing 6 months and a year update on my Demonias that I get, and letting you know what wear and tear they've gone through and how much that took to get them that way. So, yep, I might do another update on these in another 6 months to see how well these did over a year. But for now, that's it with these. For Glory, for the Rebel Alliance, Slammerella out.